Return to go back to a place or topic. Rev up to increase in activity or speed. Revert to return to a previous state or condition. Rig up to assemble or set up hastily with available materials. Ring back to call on the telephone again. Ring off to end a phone call. Ring up to make a telephone call, also to tally a total in sales. Rip into to criticize or verbally attack vigorously. Rip off to cheat or overcharge. To plagiarize. Rig up to tear something into pieces. Roll out to launch or introduce something new. Roll over to agree to what someone wants to be easily defeated without even trying. Root out to eradicate or remove completely. Rope in to pursue someone to join or participate. Rough up to treat someone violently. इस तरह से कंप्लीट करना सेल्फ रीड कर. Set about to start doing something. Set apart to distinguish or separate from others. Set aside to reserve or put something to one side. Set back to delay or cause to be delayed. Set down to put in writing to land, as in an aircraft. Set forth to explain or describe in detail, to start a journey. Set in to begin and seem likely to continue. Set off to start a journey, to cause to explode. Set on upon to attack or to encourage someone to attack. Set out to begin with a specific goal in mind. Set to begin doing something with enthusiasm or determination. Set up to establish or arrange. Start off to begin or start a journey. Start out to begin one's life, career or existence in a particular way. Start up to begin operation or cause to begin operating. Stay away from to avoid being near or involved with. Stay off to refrain from using or stepping on. Stay out to remain outdoors or away from home, especially at night. Stay up to remain awake, especially later than usual. Step aside to move out of the way, to resign from a position. Step down to resign from a high position or responsibility. Step in to intervene or become involved. Talk out of to pursue someone, not to do something. Talk over to discuss something in detail. Talk to speak with someone. Tear apart to destroy or criticize harshly. Tear apart to destroy or criticize harshly, to upset greatly. Tear down to demolish or remove. Tear off to remove by tearing. Tear up to rip into pieces, to become very emotional. Tell apart to distinguish between two or more things. Tell off to scold or reprimand. Tell on to inform on someone, to have a negative effect. Tell upon to have a noticeable effect on someone. Think about to consider. Think ahead to plan for the future. Think back to recall or remember. Think of to consider or have an opinion about something. Think over to consider carefully before making a decision. Think up to invent or imagine something. Wait on to serve or attend to someone. Wake up to arise from sleep, to awaken someone. Walk out to leave a place in protest or as part of a strike. Ward off to avert or prevent something. Warm up to prepare for physical exertion or a performance by exercising lightly. Wash away to remove or carry off by the action of water. Wash off to clean something by washing. Wash out to be removed by something to cancel due to bad weather. Wash up to clean the dishes and utensils, etc. after a meal, to wash one's face and hands. Watch out to be cautious or alert to danger. Watch out for to be vigilant or look carefully for something or someone.